he already he popped it up because it's the inside tire, so he's good. Put it in there. He's almost done. He's gonna put it in there. He's gonna put the lug nuts on there. Did I say lug nuts? Anyways. And then, well, actually, he's gotta put the other tire, the first one, the outer tire, and then he's gonna tighten the nuts. And first, he's gotta put the air in there. I wasn't sure how long these shorts are. I think they're up to like 3 minutes, so I should have just kept on recording the whole time. Put the outer tire now on the outside of it. Let's see. Adjust that using the bar again. That little bar is like his best friend, man. Yeah. Get that in there. He used it to take the tire off the rim. He used it now to prop the tire up so he could mount it on those screws there. He's gonna make sure it's in there properly. And pretty soon he's gonna put the lugs on there. There he is. He's doing that now. That's good. Pause the video real quick. So he's done. Big shout out to Bosselman Boss Shop because they're done. He's already finished. He's just filling out the paperwork, and I think I just gotta sign it, and that's good. I'm gonna take some pictures, verify that his job is done. Good job, bro.